Class 6 Geography Chapter 2 Globe, Latitudes and Longitudes. In this video, we will learn about the relationship between longitudes and time. Longitudes and time. Sun is the best timekeeper. Local time can be reckoned by the shadow cast by the sun, which is the shortest at noon and longest at sunrise or sunset. See, sun is the best timekeeper. So in earlier days when there were no clocks, then what happened? People used to find out the time with the help of the shadow cast by the sun. This shadow is shortest at noon. Why? Because the sun is at the highest position in the sky, and longest at sunrise or sunset. When prime meridian has the sun at the highest position in the sky, that means when it is 12 noon at prime meridian, then all the places on this meridian will have midday or noon. So, if it is 12 noon at prime meridian, then all the places which lie on this line, 0 degree meridian or prime meridian, will have the same time. That means they will also have 12 noon or midday. As Earth rotates from west to east, the places east of prime meridian will have time ahead of the Greenwich Mean Time or GMT. See, the places which lie towards the east of prime meridian, their time is ahead of Greenwich Meridian Time or the GMT. Why it is ahead? Because sun rises in the east. So the places to the east of prime meridian will have time ahead of GMT, and the places to the west will have time behind GMT. Local time. Rate of difference can be calculated as, see how much difference is there between the time. It can be calculated as follows. As you can see, in 1 day or 24 hours, Earth rotates 360 degree. See, Earth completes one rotation in 1 day. That means 24 hours. And in 24 hours, in one rotation, it completes one circle. And one circle, that means it rotates 360 degrees. So in 1 hour, Earth will rotate 360 divided by 24. That means 15 degrees. So in 1 hour, Earth rotates 15 degrees. It rotates 1 degree. Each Earth rotates 15 degree in 60 minutes. So 15 degree, Earth rotates 15 degree in 1 hour or 60 minutes. Then it rotates 1 degree in 60 divided by 15. That means 4 minutes. It shows that every longitude has its own time called the local time. And with every longitude, that there is a time difference of 4 minutes. Okay. If it is in the east, these 4-minute time will be added to the GMT or Greenwich Mean Time, and if it is in the west, the time will be subtracted from the time at prime meridian or GMT. Standard time. Geographers have divided the Earth into 24 time zones. Okay. See, Earth takes 24 hours to complete one circle. Okay, so geographers, what they have done, they have divided the Earth into 24 time zones, and each time zone is of 15 degrees. Or in other words, in 15 degrees, after every 15 degrees, 1 hour time difference comes. Now, out of these 15s, 15 is an odd number. Okay. So, the middle longitude of each time zone is taken as standard meridian, and the local time of that meridian is generally followed all over the time zone as the standard time. See, 15 is odd number. So, 15, that means 7 this side and 7 that side, and the middle longitude, which is 8th longitude. Okay. The 8th longitude is middle longitude among these 15 lines of longitude. So the local time, or the time according to the sun's position in the sky, the local time of this middle longitude is adopted as the standard time. It is taken as the standard time for the whole of time zone. Okay, see, for whole time zone, one particular time is adopted, and what is that time? That is the local time of the middle longitude. Okay. This creates, why this is done? It creates uniformity. It will be same. Otherwise, there you know that with every longitude, 4 minute difference comes. So, if there will be different time at different longitudes, if we will follow like that, then it will create confusion. Okay. And so it creates uniformity and avoids confusion. So for whole time zone, the middle longitude among these 15 longitudes, the local time of that is taken as the standard time. Okay. Now, standard meridian of India. You can see here it is a map of India, and as you can see, the two longitudes, the easternmost and westernmost, are marked as, easternmost longitude of India is written as 97.25 degree east, and westernmost is 68.7 degree east longitude. And see, so India lies between these two meridians. That means approximately 29 lines of longitude are there in India. Okay. And a central meridian, a meridian passing through almost the center of the country at Mirzapur near Allahabad, it is adopted as the standard meridian. Okay. And the local time of this meridian applies to whole country. Okay, it is known as Indian Standard Time. Indian Standard Time. India lies between 68 degrees 7 east and 97.25 degree east longitude. There are 29 longitudes that lie between east and west. So how many lines of longitudes are there? 29. This means that there are 29 different timings in India. There will be 29 different time in India. The difference between, if we find out the difference between the local time of eastern and western most longitude is 30 degrees, near about 29 degrees, approximately 30 degrees. So, and you know, with every longitude there is a time difference of 4 minutes. So if you multiply 30 by 4, it comes to 120 minutes or 2 hours. That means the sun rises 2 hours early in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west. Okay. But what will happen if we will consider 29 or say 30 different time in India, then a lot of confusion will be created, because railway timetables are set, flight schedules are set, then it will create lot of confusion, because different places will have different time. So in order to avoid that, what has been done, a central meridian passing or 82.5 degree east longitude, which is the central meridian which passes almost through the center of India. This longitude, 82.5 degree east longitude, which passes through Mirzapur near Allahabad, has been adopted as the standard meridian of India. The local time of this standard meridian is taken as the standard time of India. So the local time of 82.5 degree east meridian, which passes at Mirzapur near Allahabad, the time of this meridian is taken as the Indian standard time, and this time applies to the whole country. Now this IST or Indian Standard Time, it is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of Greenwich Mean Time. That means if it is 12 noon at Greenwich Meridian, okay, or which passes through London, if the time at London is 12 noon, what will be the time in India? The time in India will be 12 plus, because India lies in the east, you have seen 82.5 degree east meridian. If you multiply 82.5 degree with 4 minutes, it will come to 330 minutes. That means 300 minutes divided by 60, that means 5 hours and 30 minutes. So time at India is 5 hours 30 minutes ahead of GMT. Suppose the time at Greenwich Meridian is 12 hours, then 12 noon, 12 plus 5:30, it means 17:30. That means 5:30 in the evening.